Imagine a world where every Malaysian has the opportunity to become a creator, an inventor, an innovator, a founder, a formulator, or perhaps a maker. Our child's little imagination could shape their own bright future. What if there is no intervention? My Digital Maker, a groundbreaking movement that is revolutionizing education and preparing the youth for the digital age. Launched in 2016, My Digital Maker is an initiative by MDEC that is shaping the future of Malaysia with the aim to transform Malaysian youth from digital users to creators in the digital economy by cultivating interest and skills in digital innovation and creativity at a young age.
My Digital Maker initiative is a very important initiative, and it is very much in line with our digital education policy, which was recently launched by the Minister of Education herself. It is actually to prepare our school-going children with the necessary skills which they require in the future.
MDEC has played an important role in supporting the Ministry of Education in the integration of computational thinking and computer science into the national school curriculum, primarily assisting with training teachers, school leaders and counsellors, as well as facilitating collaborations with the tech industry to nurture students who are interested in digital creativity and innovation.
Kesemua industri memerlukan talent dalam bidang teknologi disebabkan oleh perkembangan yang sangat pesat penggunaan teknologi.
Digital is easy to learn and is fun. We have all kinds of modules which is able to cater for a different range of education levels, beginner, intermediate and advanced level.
The movement started by raising awareness on the fourth industrial revolution and involvement among students. With the focus on driving uptake of digital tech for tertiary courses, we can establish dedicated avenues for high potential students.
From this program, I was able to make lots of friends who share the same interests as me, who get along really well.
Through this program, I've gained many skills which have been very beneficial.
Digital Ninja taught me to be a better leader and taught me to be a better person overall.
We are learning computer science, project-based learning, technopreneurship. The topics that they teach us are really crucial for our future self, considering that the future is really based on technology-based stuff. Those subjects would help me so beneficially.
By upskilling educators in digital tech, they can increase their digital competency and quality.
Melalui program-program My Digital Maker yang telah kami laksanakan di sekolah, saya dapati murid saya sekarang dapat berfikir secara lebih kreatif dan kritis, terutama dalam kehidupan seharian dan juga dalam pembelajaran mereka.
Pelajar mungkin lebih tertarik dengan doktor dan sebagainya. Tapi sebenarnya bidang digital teknologi ni, tangga gaji pun sangat lumayan. Bila saya dedahkan perkara itu dengan pelajar, pelajar pun nampak masa depan mereka adalah sebenarnya.
The impact of My Digital Maker can be seen in the success stories of its graduates. These talented individuals have gone on to compete and win international competitions and are recognized around the world.
I can't comprehend how satisfied I was at the time of winning this program. It's not about winning the competitions, it's about the journey that you come through, the lessons that you learn throughout the program. That's the actual prize that you get.
A network of public sector players, private sector partners, non-governmental organizations and universities was sparked by MDEC's use of the private-public academia collaboration to foster digital innovation and creativity among students, teachers and the community at large. This resulted in the development of a robust digital maker ecosystem.
We encourage all the youth to be creative, to create content beneficial to the audience lah.
Kita bagi mereka pendedahan melalui sharing session kepada mereka untuk mereka nampak secara jelas apa yang mereka mahukan apabila mereka dah habis belajar.
To date, this initiative has impacted more than 2.5 million school students nationwide and unearthed hundreds of highly talented students from all walks of life. And to celebrate digital creativity and innovation of students, My Digital Maker fairs were successfully organized physically and virtually and has been set as a yearly event. My Digital Maker initiative has proven that our next generation of students who are digital natives have the potential to be highly creative and talented when it comes to digital technology. The time has come for Malaysia to nurture our young talents and to provide them with opportunities to become the nation's future innovators.
To everyone out there into innovation and technology, please come and join us.
You'll be able to turn from a user of technology into a creator of technology.
For you to having fun with technologies,
Equip them with what is to come in the future.
Dapat membantu berkembang bukan sahaja di Malaysia.
Malah mereka berani meletakkan Malaysia di mata dunia.
Are you ready to join the digital revolution? Whether you're a student, an educator, or an industry leader, My Digital Maker welcomes everyone. Together, we raise Malaysia's very own digital heroes. Join us as we create the digital makers of tomorrow.